Short and long quizzes are adaptive in form and correct answers are shown after a student attempt. Adaptive quizzes implement the penalty which takes 1/3 of the total number of points per item whenever a student answers incorrectly. A student only has one attempt for both short and long quizzes. Both types of quizzes time-bounded. Students need to make sure that they have enough time to answer the quiz and that they have a reliable internet connection during the exam. Assignments should be submitted as that will be 20% of the student's grade. The final exam is the last assessment a student will take. Final exams are deferred feedback mode and thus do not show the correct answer after the attempt. As with the short and long quizzes, students should also make sure that they have enough time to answer the final exam and that they have a reliable internet connection. The online classroom is organized per week. Topics, activities, quizzes and assessments for 1 week are grouped into one cluster. Students need to accomplish activities in sequence as the classroom implements completion tracking. Activities must be submitted through the submission links below the topics for the week. The prescribed file name convention is as indicated. Last name followed by your first name, dash, indicate whether it is an assignment or laboratory activity, then number. For example, Dela Cruz, 1, assignment, 001. If the attachment cannot be uploaded due to file size restriction, students need to email their submission to mentor.inquiry@amauonline.com and submit a one-page document stating that the student submitted the file to mentor.inquiry. This is needed for the activity to recognize that the student has accomplished the activity. Let us now proceed to the week-by-week schedule of this course. Every week you will be provided with lectures and assessments while every other fourth week is your long quiz. At week 14, you will have your final examination. For week 1, we will discuss the introduction of software engineering, specifically software development, software engineering ethics, and software development team roles and responsibilities. You will encounter ideas about software engineering ethics as a subset of engineering ethics and professional ethics applied to the design and development of software systems. Engineering ethics and engineering philosophy look at the relationship between the engineer as an individual, his or her employer, the client, and society in general.